Hey, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn about replace function, how replace function works. So to check it, how to replace function works, basically replace function replaces a particular value. So to check it with practical, we will run our table employees and we wanted to replace some values. Let us suppose we wanted to change this value. So let us first start with the syntax that is already available here. So we first write replace, then we will use a string, then we will use the character that we wanted to replace, then we use the character that should be replaced. That is a new character. So I'm using this example as it was a very good example. So here Jack and Joe is the main character and we wanted to replace J by BL. So let us run this. Here now the new character is instead of Jack, it says black and and there's nothing to replace. And in Jew again the J is there, so BL will be used. It becomes blue. So it was a very good example to show you how this replaces the value. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you again in next video.